Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Kakatapos ko lang maligo and i-open natin tong parcel ko. Actually, dumating pa siya kahapon but hinintay ko talaga yung time na to para makapag-set up and makapag-vlog para ma-open ko na siya. So, let's go! Bumili ako ng pang-journal na notebook but gagamitin ko siya for my diary. So, bale, my daily ganaps, ganyan. Dito ako magsusulat. Me and Maurice tried Serafin and Gloria Cafe in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. The cafe has a really nice ambiance and every corner fits its aesthetic. Their pastries are also very affordable. We ordered the chocolate croissant and cheese rolls and they were a 10 out of 10. Super worth it. For drinks, Maurice loved her mango graham while I ordered the iced matcha latte. Unfortunately, it tasted a bit bland for me, although I've seen a lot of good reviews, so maybe it was just an off day. For the service, a fly got into my matcha but they replaced it right away, which I appreciated. I just hope the staff can be a bit more welcoming, but overall, based on my experience, I'd rate Serafin and Gloria Cafe a 5 out of 10. After SM Pampanga, dumiretso kami agad sa The Smokery. I actually found this place on TikTok and after reading the reviews, mukhang masarap talaga. So, we decided to give it a try. We ordered the beef chimichurri and grabe, super lambot ng meat. It literally melts in your mouth. Good for 2 na rin yung serving. For drinks, I ordered the honey calamansi soda, which was super refreshing. We also ordered the smoked meat lasagna. Good for 3 na rin yung serving niya. Originally, 3 p.m. pa talaga sinaserve yung smoked meat lasagna, but we arrived at around 2 p.m. and they still accommodated our order. Super bait and accommodating din ng staff nila. Ito pala yun, guys. Akala ko bandang Clark siya. Tapos dito, may nakita kaming photo booth. Tignan natin kung available. We're here at Boris Cafe. First time ko dito. Siya, second time na. Mga books din sila here, guys. Ay, ang ganda rin. Sea salt brownies. Sarap niya, guys. Ang sarap-sarap. We're here at nilakad lang namin to. Super lapit lang. Nandito kami para sa para makapagpa-photo booth kayo. Kailangan nyo muna magbayad dito sa Nico Nico.
Daming anino, parang multo.
Hey guys! Come spend the day with me on campus. Buti na lang may nasakyan agad akong bus kasi super tagal talagang maghintay ng bus dito sa amin. Then ayan, nasa SM Pampanga na ako. And dyan ko lang na-realize na hindi ko pala dala yung payong ko. At buti na lang maaga pa niyan kaya hindi pa ganun kainit. Then after a few minutes, dumating na rin agad yung bus papunta sa university namin. And finally, nasa campus na ako. Medyo umiinit na rin ng time na yan kasi 9 AM na. And wala talaga akong classes today but I still had to go to school for our student council duties. We had a meeting with our advisors. So while we were waiting for them, tumambay muna kami sa office. After about 30 minutes, nag-start na yung meeting namin. Sa sobrang dami namin, nag-arkila na kami ng jeep. Grabe. Tama?
Tama.
So, after ng meeting namin, hindi ko talaga in-expect na aabutin kami ng hapon sa campus kasi akala ko 1 to 2 hours lang yung meeting. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa Casa Local and kasama rin namin yung iba naming old mates. Originally, kami lang sana ni Wilson yung pupunta but we decided to invite everyone since ngayon lang din namin uli nakita yung mga seniors namin. Nag-order na sila guys. Sobrang dami namin like Lay's chips. So, ganito siya kayo kalaki. Tapos dito ka na sa room na to. Hi, Jeff. Ikaw na lang. Sure. Lalaki. So, share kami dito. May nakikishare eh. Dapat dalawa lang kami.
Actually,
Dalawa lang kami.
date namin.
Yes. Kaso,
Ang plano. And you, ang nangyari.
lahat.
You and us. Yes, Tanda. Anong panahon na?
Let's eat, guys. So, kompleto na ata yung foods namin and yung iba hindi bumili ng foods kasi nga busog pa sila. Pero kami hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So, ito, bumili kami salad and kare-kare. Tapos tingnan niyo yung order ko, guys. First time ko to. Dubai pistachio and I'm very excited to try this one. So, ano yung sa'yo, Wilson? Sea salt.
My usual cost.
The
My go-to
usual.
cost.
My go-to cost. Okay. So, ito first time ko to. So,
Parang naging date ko.
Pinasang siya ako yung sarap.
Hindi lang siya na parang ng bata. Parang pinakain ng bata. Paano yung mukha pag nasarapan? Sarap.
So, after naming magkwentuhan at kumain, umuwi na rin kami kasi medyo lumalakas na yung ulan. Super thankful din ako sa mga orgmates ko for today's little hangout. And that's it for my July. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog.